In our practice, we have been able to help people with diabetes or pre-diabetes attain tremendously lower sugar levels, lose weight, get many of their metabolic functions back, help people with hypothyroidism who have been taking medications for a very long time, reduce the level of medication that they need perhaps. The goal, of course, is to eliminate the need for medication, but in the event they can't do that, they're able to relieve many of the symptoms that still exist even with proper medication for hypothyroidism, like the cold hands and feet, like hair falling out, brain fog, retaining water, unable to lose weight, constipation. All the symptoms of hypothyroidism, while they have good blood work from the medication, are still impairing their everyday life. Most, if not all, of the patients who work with us are able to realize a significant reversal of the health condition that they are experiencing. Many of them are able to completely eliminate the condition, but in a case where they haven't completely eliminated it, they still feel significant improvement.